Hi, welcome to my kitchen, and today I will show you how to make the Goan Patal Bhaji. Take 1 cup of yellow peas, soak with water. Transfer the washed and soaked yellow peas into the pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 onion and 1 tomato chopped, 2 potatoes cut into cubes. Add 2 cups of water. Cover and cook on 4 whistles. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 4 pieces of garlic and a small piece of ginger. Saute for a minute. Add 1 sliced onion. Saute for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of coconut, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything for 2 minutes. Let it cool for some time before grinding. In the mixture jar, add the roasted whole spices. Add the roasted coconut. Add 1 cup of boiled peas. Add enough water and grind it to a fine paste. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a handful of curry leaves, a pinch of hing, 1 chopped onion, salt as per your taste. Saute the onions for 2 minutes. Add 1 chopped tomato. Add the masala paste. Add the boiled peas. Add half a teaspoon of jaggery. Add half a cup of water. Add 2 green chilies. Check the salt at this time. Add handful of chopped coriander. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Our Goan Patal Bhaji is ready to serve.